Hi guys, so today I'm going to be working on a flower bed on the other side of the house. I gotta get some mulch, but I told myself that I'm not going to get any more mulch until my beds are ready for it. So today is not supposed to be raining, although it looks a little bit cloudy in my opinion, and it's a little bit cool. But I got my coffee. The main thing will be cleaning up, taking all those tulips from there. I don't know about you, I love tulips. They're the best flowers in the spring in my opinion, but once they stop blooming and then I have to clean up all the leaves, the waiting period for that is what it kills me. I have to wait 3 or 4 weeks until they are showing a little bit of weak, a little bit dead, and then I have to remove it. And that just, they weren't so darn expensive. I will treat them like annuals and I will call it good, but I have to do what I can. So I'm going to be working on that, and hopefully depending if it doesn't rain, then I might be able to do some perennials in there as well. So let's go. Deciding where things are gonna go is like the worst, you guys. I cannot make up my mind about where to put what. Like for example, right here, these were a division from last year. I'm gonna have to dig that out so that I can put the 2 GMs that I have there. And then I'm going to make room over here for 2 more. I think those are going to work well. My David Aspen seems to be liking this spot, and we turn around, you can sort of see I have a lot to do. I have a lot of weeds. I have been concentrating a lot on my kitchen garden, and my flower beds have been kind of forgotten lately, so we need to fix that. Okay guys, so let me show you what I did today. I think I'm gonna call it a day because I am tired. I did not realize how much weeds there were here, and that basically took most of my time. So let me show you. I started the path over here, and I really wanted to use all the heucheras that I got from Walter Gardens. So I did a very thick hedge here of about, I don't know, 7 or 8 heucheras right here. they're going to get nice and full. And on the other side, I have a couple of roseanne geraniums, 2 more heucheras, more geraniums, and then I went thick with the hedge of heucheras on the other side. So it is not your regular looking side by side same flowers type of thing or same plants. It is just basically nice and thick. I got geraniums over there, I got gems, and I got more gems over there, nice and thick heucheras, geraniums, more heucheras, and more geraniums over here. I did have some older heucheras over here that they had been there for a couple of seasons and they were doing just beautiful. So I know that those heucheras work over here. So what I did is that I put them in this container. I have quite a mess back here, but this container looks beautiful right now. I have 3 heucheras in there and hopefully they will do well. I will definitely move them at the end of the season. I just have to decide where, but I didn't want to make a hedge with the baby tiny heucheras next to the big one. So let me just walk you a little bit over here. Right here I have a couple of the monoras that I got. I can't remember the name of it. They're purple. And then I got one more over here. Then I got the heucheras going. I'm not gonna show you every single plant. I'm just gonna show you what I planted today. I'm just gonna wait until all the plants are slightly blooming so that you can see. I got 3 gems, not gems, gems over there. And then these are all perennials from last year. They are anemones, the pink anemones. Got more blazing sunset gems there. And if you can imagine, these are going to be nice and bushy. And these are the millennium garlic over here that I have. I have 3 more heucheras over here. And then I added more gems over here and then more gems over here. So that's basically how I ended here. Whew. Like I said, it didn't take a lot putting those in the ground. However, all the weeds that I had to clean up a little bit to get this bed ready for mulch is what took me the most time. So I think this video is done for today. I'm very excited. I know that the geraniums are still little, but once they take off, you guys, oh my gosh, they're going to do just amazing.